to Sumter Landing, where we have yet another car show here in the Villages. And you know, when you cram 150,000 people who are retired and have a few bucks, this is what you get.
This is a 2017 S63 AMG.
Yep.
So it's made in the AMG racing factory. It has 577 horsepower. It does 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds for a 5,000-pound car. That's pretty good.
Yeah, that's 5,000 pounds. That's a ton of weight to be hauling around.
Yeah, yeah.
I guess that's why you need 577 horses.
And it really handles beautifully. It just magnificent car to drive. And this is the.
Now we're going to the engine compartment. Here we go.
There's no engine in here.
Just a lot of
cover.
A lot of plastic covers. Typical modern car.
Yep, and you can see the matte finish on here.
Yeah.
And
I will respect your car and not touch your matte finish.
And this is the guy who built the engine.
Oh yeah, the guy signs it.
He has to sign it.
So it's a V8 turbo, right?
V8 bi-turbo, twin turbo.
Twin turbo V8. Okay. I always like to ask this when I'm around hot cars. How fast have you had it up to?
Let's see, is the wife around?
No, don't tell her.
I've only had it up to 1.
Oh, all right.
Because I took it out on 75. And
well, everybody's going on 75.
But I only had a short period of space to go.
Right.
So, and you get all the trucks out there, but this thing just holds the road. It's like on rails.
Yep.
When it gets 50 degrees, of course here in Florida that could happen at any time, you have what they call a heat scarf. And this sends the heat up around your neck.
Yep. Oh yeah, look at that. Little air vent on the headrest. Okay, watch this. Whoa. Very slick. And then you got a button to close it, of course, because us humans are not capable of closing a trunk lid.
But great car. Love this car.
So I got the same problem here I had with a Porsche show. The band's playing back there, and they're probably playing copywritten songs, so the YouTube song recognition algorithm is going to go, whoa, you're using too much. Woo. Yep. Lots of pretty cars here. Ooh, a lull in the band. I should take advantage of this. So they got some nice big SUVs here. Here's a GLE 350. And then a sedans. This is interesting. Kind of a black on white, an E350. There's an SL550. All right, we got to talk to this guy. So, Greg, what do you got here?
Well, this is a 2011 SL550. Just picked it up 10 days ago.
Wow, it's brand stinking new.
Yep.
What's it got for horsepower?
380 some odd.
Yep.
With a 5.5 cubic inch V8.
Okay, here's
no, 5.5 liter, not cubic inch. Yeah.
So here's the dangerous question of the day: is how fast have you had it up to?
Not too fast. No, I haven't. I know the top speed's like 140, but
you've behaved yourself.
In the Villages.
Yeah, right. Yeah, I can see you going up Buena Vista at 140.
Right. Yeah. V8, of course. Not turbo, naturally aspired, not turbocharged.
So it makes the faster you go, the faster you go. Then again, that's true of turbos too.
That's true.
Is it throaty or is it a more refined?
It is kind of throaty.
Okay. All right, Greg is going to do the top here for us, because these top mechanisms are always a hoot. Okay, motor's on. Down goes the rear protector. Now we're about to see an eruption of. Oh, okay. The back trunk deck goes. Oh, it's a hardtop convertible. And up it comes. Swing. Look at that. And all this stuff folds up. Closes. And you're ready for the rain.
That's right. Funny.
So as a teenager or later, what was your first car?
1968 GTO.
Okay, so you started big.
I did,
Yeah. I was thinking, pardon that music level, lots of convertibles. And the reason there's lots of convertibles in this cadre of cars is because, well, this is Florida. And you can get away with it down here. Hello. Lots of pretty cars. There's an older one. All right, this one gets the prize for looking just totally sinister. It's a 2019. It's a 2019 AMG C63S. And they say the carbon fiber wing here costs more than most cars, which I kind of believe in the realm of German car options. Big fat rubber. It's got the Michelin Pilot Sport. Yeah, it is the prize winner for the meanest car just sitting still here. And now we're getting into the vintage stuff here. The old classic Mercedes. Ooh, these ones I remember seeing back in the old country. Now that's probably the classic right there. I got to talk to this guy. Holy, okay, this one's even more classic. And here's an old German taxi cab, a 190. So this is the owner of the 190 here. This is John.
Greetings.
Hello, John. And you've had how many Mercedes?
I've had 19 different Mercedes. I was had a little free time. I made a list from 1956 till 1982.
Good Lord.
Different ones.
Did they?
But I've never had a car payment.
Did you just lose interest in them, or did you?
No, I got
you just decide you wanted something else?
I got projects, and some of them stayed a while, and some not so long, and different ones I've had over the years.
All right, for those of you from the modern era where everything's automated and whatnot, I'm gonna bet this thing has a choke.
Yeah.
All right, so kids, what is a choke? Well, that's a device you use to adjust the fuel mixture. What's the fuel mixture? Go back to car school. So John here's got some trim that needs to be replaced on the car. You can see it's missing here. All right, we're gonna take a look at the motive power here, where you can actually see the engine.
Yeah, and there's room for 2 more engines in there.
Yeah. Now that's a thing of beauty. Because if
4
you
cylinders, 4-speed on the column.
nice hard valve covering out that cheap stamped metal, it's a, you know. And if you need to get to the distributor, there it is.
There it is.
Yep.
It's all pretty straightforward.
Wait a minute, it looks like the fuel pump is not connected here.
Right. There's an electric fuel pump.
Ah, you
I
bypass the fuel pump.
I got a guy working on that. It
Yeah.
goes back to the garage.
So do you want to use the mechanical fuel pump or the electric one?
We'll go back to the mechanical.
All right. Hello, Bubby. Yeah, I always like to get dogs in the videos. Are you trembling? Nothing to fear.
They get cold.
Oh, yeah, lap dog. Oh, look, he's got the reassuring hand on the other one there. So I'm not totally up on all my Mercedes models, but this is an AMG, and it says 6.3 in the side, which I take it to mean it's got a 6.3 liter engine. And it says AMG on the back, and it's an SLS, so it goes like stink, I'm assuming. Because it's got pretty meaty tires. Here's another 190. This one's a nifty little number here.
Hey, oh my God.
A classic, I might say.
Okay, but we'll come around here. We don't want to
Great look on the front. I don't know why, but I fancy this shape more than anything else. It's kind of not quite in the style anymore. It's kind of squarish and stuff, but that was the thing. What'd you say this was? A 63? It's got 73,000 kilometers on it. Nice. You've done a great job at keeping the guts here clean.
Restored it all.
Oh, you did? Was it a rusting, smoldering wreck when you got it?
No, I was underneath for a year scraping off the factory undercoating.
Oh.
The rust, and there was none.
So that's it, another bitter cold March night in the villages here in Central Florida. What have we learned from this? Not much. Pretty cars. Good night.